G'day, welcome along. I thought we'd take a bit of a slow-paced wander today, starting here near the heart of Darling Square and winding our way down to the water at Darling Harbour. It's about a 17-minute stroll in total. So if you're looking for something to just pop on in the background while you're getting stuck into some work or just want to relax, you've come to the right place. Before we get moving, it's pretty wild to think about what's actually beneath our feet. Long before the skyscrapers and the cafes showed up, the Gadigal people knew this whole area as Tumbalong, which basically means a place where seafood is found. It's a bit of a classic Sydney story. Really, it went from those ancient oyster middens to being the absolute industrial powerhouse of the colony in the 1800s. Back then, this was a world of soot and steam. It was actually the site of Australia's first steam engine, and during the Great Depression, this stretch was known as the Hungry Mile because of the thousands of blokes who'd walk these wharves every single day just hoping for a few hours of work. It wasn't until the bicentenary in 1988 and later the 2000 Olympics that it really transformed into the leisure spot we have today for everyone. It's a cracker of a spot for families with the kids' play areas and plenty of room to move, but it's just as good if you're a solo traveller looking for a quiet bench or meeting up with a few mates for a feed and a catch-up. Plus, the whole path is nice and flat, so it's a real breeze for a walk. There are some amazing details to look out for along the way, like the Exchange, that massive beehive building wrapped in about 20 kilometres of timber. It was designed by Kengo Kuma, and it's a stunner. We'll also follow that water-like path through the trees, which is actually the Tidal Cascade, a heritage-listed fountain by the legend Robert Woodward. He's the same bloke who did the famous dandelion fountain up at King's Cross. Even the limestone rocks near the Chinese Garden of Friendship have a story. They've actually got coral fossils in them that are 400 million years old. If you're feeling a bit peckish, you're in the right spot. There are some local icons around here like Marrickville pork roll, plus gelato Messina and Edition roasters if you're chasing a decent brew. And keep your head up as you go through the laneways like Steam Mill Lane too, because there's some great neon art by Peter Kruger and other local legends hidden in plain sight. Anyway, I'm going to step back now and let the city do the talking. Before I go, guys, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm so people like you get to see these videos and enjoy a bit of a quiet break. Pull up a chair, grab a cuppa, and enjoy the walk.
The windows are dusted. The whole city is growing, our silence adjusted. The wind hums a tune under the afternoon, a silver balloon waiting for the moon, floating like water inside of a dream, caught like a daughter deep in the stream. Shadows are falling over the lane, voices are calling under the rain. We're drifting away, we're drifting away, stay in the light of the ending day. Warm felt on the hammers, moving so slow. Echoes and grammars, where do they go? Bells in the distance, cold on the skin, a quiet resistance, letting it begin. Floating like water inside of a dream, caught like a daughter deep in the stream. A heartbeat so sweet, deep in the street, a rhythm to meet. We are complete, shades of the blue with everything new, walking with you, always passing through. Floating like water inside of a dream, caught like a daughter deep in the stream. A heartbeat so sweet, deep in the street, a rhythm to meet. We are complete, shades of the blue with everything new, walking with you, always passing through. We're floating like water inside of a dream, caught like a daughter deep in the stream, where shadows are falling over the lake, voices are calling under the rain. We're drifting away, we're drifting away, stay in the light of the ending day. concrete and salt there. The harbor is bare. The ghost quiet still. Cold wind in my hair. A heart in despair. The moon is asleep. Central is quiet tonight under the yellow light. Chasing the neon sign. Losing the final fight. Frozen in pale fire. Lost in a city walk. The harbor light fades into light. Burning so bright end of the night. Out of my sight. Losing the fire. Echoes in the hall. Watching shadows fall. Watching shadows fall. Watching shadows fall. George Street is hollow, no one to follow. A bitter pill to swallow in the dark and the shallow, like a weeping willow. A stone for a pillow, petals on the street under tired feet. The bitter and sweet where two shadows meet. The rhythm and beat, the cold winter heat. The harbor light fades into white, burning so bright. End of the night, out of my sight, losing the fire. Sydney is a cage, turn the final page. Written in my rage, frozen on the stage. Quietly we go where the waters flow. Quietly we go where the waters flow. Quietly we go where the waters flow.
Well, what do you think of that walk? If you've got any thoughts or favourite spots along the way, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, thanks heaps for joining me today. If you enjoyed the stroll, don't forget to push that like button. It's completely free and it really helps the channel out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please think about jumping on board for the next one. Until next time, see ya.